let's just take that straight to meditation. So as you're willing to get comfortable, to settle in. Because in my world, meditation and prayer have very little difference. Because we're affirming the truth that rests here now. So as you feel yourself sitting in these seats, your feet on the floor, that presence of that pew touching your body, we know that what we call God, by whatever name, is present here. That we can't be separate, we can't be isolated, we can't be alone from that presence. We can be with it always, because we are always that expression. That love and compassion that we call God is the love and compassion that rests in us. It is us. And as we acknowledge today that no matter what takes place in our life, in our world, we are that divine expressing. It is the truth of who we are. And whether in the midst of struggle and strife, we are not separate from that. It is simply for us to turn, face, and awaken more and more and more of that which is us. So as we move forward today, we move forward knowing that we are all that we seek in the world. That what is expressing within us is that which needs to be expressing within us. And the world is a better place because we are in the world. And as we move into silence, just hold that intention of remembering, of recognizing, and expressing that one true source that you are. And as you bring yourself back to the awareness of being in this space, in this time, seated in these pews, next to your friends and family, just remember who you are, the truth of your being. And as you're ready, you can open your eyes and be here now.